FRY with the power of air. Use the air fryer mode to create healthy and delicious food, with deep fried crispiness. Enjoy your favorite fried food without the calories or smell associated with deep frying. The high-speed fans speed up baking and provide that desired fried finish and flavor. For all your cooking needs, this versatile 7-in-1 appliance air fries, bakes, broils, convection bakes, convection broils, toasts, and warms. Temperature range of 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit makes it easy to achieve a healthy, crispy, fried finish using at least 98% less oil than traditional fryers. Make better-for-you fries that are just as crispy and tasty, roast a whole chicken, or perfect your avocado toast all in one appliance. Large family size, extra guests, or just extra hungry. Either way, this toaster oven air fryer was thoughtfully designed with the whole family in mind. The spacious 20-liter capacity fits 6 slices of toast or roasts a 5.5 pounds chicken, so you can make plenty of food for the entire family, without heating up your oven. Auto shut-off and easy cleaning. For added safety, the toaster oven shuts off when the door is opened. The included broil pan, flat wire rack, air fry basket, and removable crumb tray are dishwasher safe, while the interior walls are non-stick, making for easy cleanup. Resources: UL certified with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability, and 1-year assurance provided by Chefman, so you can purchase worry-free. For information on how to use your product, scroll down for a PDF user guide, quick start guide, and recipe book. 120 volts, 1800 watts, RJ50 SSM20. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to this multifunctional toaster oven air fryer. Enjoy a variety of delicious dishes with ease and convenience using the Chefman Toast Air Convection Oven Plus Air Fryer. No more heating up your kitchen with a full-size oven. Get the same results as a traditional convection oven with the convenience of countertop cooking for faster and more evenly cooked food. This countertop convection oven is a useful tool in any busy kitchen with variable temperature controls and cooking functions to air fry, bake, broil, convection bake, toast, and warm, as well as a temperature range from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit to set at the desired temperature. Top reviews from the United States. Dandy unit, great cost. SBC, hard to keep clean. The unit works well and is quite versatile. There is no deep basket, as some of these air fryers have, so make sure you look carefully at the inside form factor as compared to other units and styles. I'm moved to provide this review mainly due to the excellent customer service I received when the inside light failed after about 5 months. No waiting on hold for the agent, who was super friendly. They are sending me a whole new unit, and I don't even have to ship this one back, which means they'll have an extra unit, just with no inner light, for cooking multiple things at once, say, if I'm having company and need to prepare several dishes. I love great cost. SBC, and Chefman does it splendidly.